Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Wise to an American bank account, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Wise account set up and verified. Log into your Wise account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Balances section. Here, you will see your available currencies. If necessary, add funds to your Wise account by clicking Add Funds. Select the currency you wish to transfer and enter the amount. After adding funds, return to the Balances section. Click on the currency you want to withdraw from, typically your local currency. Next, click on the Withdraw option. Now, you will be prompted to choose a bank account. Select Add a bank account if you haven't linked one yet. Enter your American bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Double-check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Once your bank account is added, it will be displayed in the withdrawal options. Select your American bank account from the list. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details carefully. Confirm the withdrawal. You will see a notification confirming that your withdrawal is in process. Typically, transfers to American banks take 1 to 3 business days. You can monitor the status of your withdrawal in the Activity section. Once the funds are in your American bank account, they are ready to use. That concludes the process of withdrawing from Wise to an American bank account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.